10th Standard Social Science, 1 mark questions. History Unit 2, the extension of the British rule. Which incident was a major setback to Marathas? The death of Maratha strongman Madhavrao Peshwa was a major setback to Marathas. Who murdered Narayan Rao? Raghoba or Raghunath Rao murdered Narayan Rao. To whom did the Maratha Confederacy bring to the post of Peshwa? Madhavrao II. Why did Raghoba approach the British for support? The Maratha Federation brought Madhavrao II to the post of Peshwa. Upset with this development, Raghoba approached the British for support. Which agreement was entered between Marathas and British at the end of First Anglo-Maratha War? Salbai Agreement. Who was appointed as Peshwa at the end of First Anglo-Maratha War? Madhavrao II. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance? Lord Wellesley introduced the subsidiary alliance. Name the 3 policies followed by Lord Wellesley to expand the British Empire in India. Subsidiary alliance, waging war against new states and administering the states that were under the control of the British. Why did Lord Wellesley bring subsidiary alliance? Lord Wellesley brought subsidiary alliance in order to bring the local kings under control. What is subsidiary alliance? This was basically a military protection agreement between the East India Company and the Indian states. Which was the first state to enter subsidiary alliance? Hyderabad was the first state to enter subsidiary alliance. What are the states that are entered subsidiary alliance? Hyderabad, Mysore, Oudh, Tanjavur, Maratha, Berar, Arcot, Pune and Gwalior. What was the main reason for the Second Anglo-Maratha War? The differences among the Maratha chieftains was the reason for this war. Why did the Peshwa appeal to the British for help in 1802? In 1802, The army of Holkar defeated the armies of Scindia and the Peshwa. Who was to be appointed to the king's court according to subsidiary alliance? British resident. By what agreement did the Peshwa agree to the subsidiary alliance? The Treaty of Bessin. Lord Wellesley resigned from his post and returned to England. Why? His battle thirstness increased the financial burden on the company. On being criticized for this policy, Lord Wellesley resigned from his post and returned to England. Why did Holkar, Gwalior and Bhonsle form an alliance? The Peshwa entered the subsidiary alliance system by accepting the Treaty of Bessin. That's why Holkar, Gwalior, Bhonsle form an alliance. Who was installed as the ruler of Satara and was named as the traditional leader of Marathas by the British? Pratap Simha. A political anarchy broke out in Punjab in 1839. Why? A political anarchy broke out in Punjab after the death of King Ranjit Singh in 1839. Between whom the Lahore Agreement was signed? The Lahore Agreement was signed between the British and the Sikh. Who opposed the attempts by the British to rule Punjab directly? Chattar Singh Attariwala and Moola Raj. Who merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire? Lord Dalhousie merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Lord Dalhousie. What is the doctrine of lapse? If any Indian ruler died childless, his adopted children had no legal right over the throne. Name the princely states came under the doctrine of lapse. Satara, Nagpur, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Jhansi and Jaipur.